In this video, I'm showing you how you can use the level features on Instagram stories. So firstly, open your Instagram app and then click on the plus icon in the top right corner and you come to this page, and here you have to scroll down to the story tab, and here you can see all these options, and in the left side you can see all this side menu. So you can see all these options, and here you can find the level option. Click on the level option, second last option in the left side of the side menu. Click on the level option and you can see all these options, all these lines. So what it will say that how far you are from the your straight position. So when you move your phone to tilt your phone to right side or left side, it means if your phone are not straight, then it will show you that how far your phone from the straight position. So but you can free to use you can free to take photo while doing this, like this. You can take photo and then you can customize it in the any way that you want. You can animate text, you can add color, and then you can post it into your Instagram story. So that's it, that how you can do this. So it only simply shows that how far you from the straight position. It tell you about your straight position, if you are straight or not. So that's it, that how you can use level features on Instagram story. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.